Hey everybody, I hope your week's been going okay. This is the video for Thursday. So I actually got a couple emails today, which was Wednesday, about the documents and how you're supposed to answer some of the questions on OneNote basically, but there's like a specific question in each document that's a little confusing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a video and kind of show you on my screen where you should be getting this information from. If you guys remember the DBQ at the beginning of the year, that might be able to help you kind of figure out how you're supposed to navigate through all these documents. But if you don't remember it, I don't blame you. That's totally okay. I'm going to make a very quick video just to kind of show you where to find some of your answers. So what you're going to be doing today, you're going to actually start pulling together some of this information from these documents and starting to pull together an organizer for your essay. Now, I'm going to remind you, you are still writing an essay next week. That is still happening. What you don't need to worry about is you don't need to worry about being completely unprepared. Your job is to do the work that I am assigning to you while I am out. And then if you are still confused or if you're still struggling, you have to have the work done. And I will make sure that when you're writing your essay, that any mistakes you've made have been cleared up. You cannot start next week saying that you have no work. That's not how that's going to go, because then you're not going to do well on your essay. But if you get all your work done, then you won't have to worry about getting the wrong answer. I'm going to make sure that you're still writing the correct thing. All right, so if you're at all concerned, don't worry about it, and make sure you go into the materials folder and watch the little video that's going to go over how to kind of go through these documents. If you are behind, that's fine. Catch up on what you're behind on, work on that, and then we'll get to the newer stuff when we get to it. All right, thanks guys. Stay healthy.